Hello, everybody. This is Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope you all are fit and fine. I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Creator. So, dear lovely friends, nowadays I cannot making any blogging video because my many problems and yesterday I had gone to hospital. That's why I cannot upload my practicing video. So my problem is my actually I had gone to hospital some problems. This is my own problems. My own brothers, he is accident. That's why I cannot making any blogging video and English practicing video. So I was go to this hospital and my brothers actually is CT scan and X-ray and so actually this hospital in our home actually 10-kilometer distance and I was go to this hospital and visit these doctors and so many things and this hospital so many beautiful and actually this is the government hospital and many facilities and all medicine and all X-ray blood test and actually this is the free actually and CT scan X-ray all facility are free because it's a government hospital. So it's a big opportunities for us and so dear friends and today I standing here at our paddy field. So and I am making video right now. So dear friends, actually in our behind side you can see one hill. This is the actually overall this hills and in our village locality actually all around side actually very amazing scenery and very beautiful environment. It's a big opportunities for us. This is my this is our local area for one hill and opposite side hill one stone it's a in our local language it's a quarry stone dig actually digging the stone. So many laborers and working this hill. Actually this hill digging before 10 years ago actually already closed this quarry and in our Assam government and actually this is quarry actually banned right now actually closed. So dear friends, I am many things actually this language I trying daily practicing and trying this language. Actually dear friends, I am daily practicing for everyone learning this language because this is language actually most important for me because this language actually for not only me but also another people another so many people actually very important language and this is the important because when I go to another place another country and communication purposes is the most important for language. That's why I think it's a most important language. and not only another country but also my country maximum place used for English language and official and unofficial purposes, and traveling purpose is the most important language. So that's why I think it's a most important language. So I this language, just I am a beginner speaker, and I'm trying daily trying this language, and when I this language I am a good speaker. That time it's a very lucky me for actually uh, nowadays I am so beginning time, and so many mistake, and just try making video for practicing and blogging video. And so dear friends, uh, this is my video. Actually so many mistake, don't mind, and I request for you my video, and my one I have one YouTube channel create, and this is my channel. Actually please subscribe, because I am daily practicing video, and I have upload in our YouTube channel, and very slowly, and I am very beginner, that's why I slowly talking with you, and many things, and about my speaking journey, and so many slowly making video. And dear friends, my channel, actually please subscribe me and support me, and that is the thing. So dear brother, that's all about me. Thank you, bye bye, next time, see you.